All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, this bond market, I don't know if you noticed it, but traded back down to that 00 level again after I wrote my early morning thoughts and held. Now it's 8-bit at 9, 7-bit at 8, and the notes continue to tell me that these treasuries want to go higher. So it's been quiet in the indices. Warren Buffett's come out and bought something. Who knows? Flying J, gas stations around the country, whatever. This is just me. I recall being in one or two Flying J's in my day, and they're not the cleanest places, but that's just me. So I know it's a big truck stop kind of place, and obviously Warren Buffett finds value in it, as there should be. You know, they're usually out in the middle of nowhere, and you know, people, they according to the CEO that was on TV, they do a huge food business, you know, besides gas. So that said, SPOOs are sitting here at 8.25 bid, offered at 8.5, and we move on. I bet, I won't bet because I'm not putting a position on, but I do like these treasuries today. And if that correlation that I noticed many months ago holds true to form, where the notes are leading now, not the bonds, then this bond market is worth a buy down here. And because the notes are telling me, the notes right now are trading 06, down 2 ticks. The bonds are trading 08, down 14. So if the notes were leading, the notes would be down at least 7, and they're down 2. So the notes are telling me higher. I looked at a chart. It looks like the notes have an inside range day so far, which means that we could have actually a nothing day, and then the notes will be giving us a FUBAR Mr. Sneaky, which says higher tomorrow. Higher tomorrow. Tough to run a position into ADP tomorrow, but that's what the markets are telling me. So we will see how today plays out. You know, if we will see a 153 handle here in these bonds today like we did yesterday. I think the only way we see a 153 handle in the bonds is if equities come off today. I think the pivot in the SPOOs is 25.23 3/4, and I've got a position on in the SPOOs. That's my trade. So I'm having a look at these. I'm having a look at that soybean spread, the November 2017-2018 soybean spread. And it's kind of telling me that, you know, you want to start leaning towards the buy side a little bit. So I may take a shot here and only buy a couple November 2018s. I mean, over the next month or so, I would like to build up a long position, but I don't want to have 20 on going into the October, I think, 12th crop report. So the spread's telling me you want to be a buyer somewhere around here. We obviously have the major level in the beans. The November 2017 is at 956, and they went out at 955. So we'll see how that plays out. This is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off. Cheers.